Up next on Sci-Fi Fantasy, rebooting the new year. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiFantasy.com and welcome to another YouTube video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to kick the new year off again. Happy New Year everybody, if I didn't tell you before. I hope it's going to be a great one for everybody. We're going to forget about what happened last week with the contest. That's over and done with. And I thank everybody for your support on the decision we made to cancel the contest for this year. Because once stuff like that is involved, it gives a bad name to the contest. So we're going to forget about that. We're going to move on because we got a ton of stuff that's going to happen this year, not only here, but all over the community. And like the little saying goes, when one door closes, another one opens. Well, that's how I'm looking at it with this, because what I'm going to do is I'm totally going to focus my energy on the project we have going on with me, Morgan, Jeff Hearn, and a couple other people. And we're going to see if we could get more people to help out with it. But we may be asking the community for a little help to get this up and running and stable and get it out to you guys this year, because we want to add something great to the community. But enough of that. That's a little hint. If you come over to the site, you may see a little bit more about it. But as we get more developed, we'll let you know what's going on with that. So the first thing I'm doing this year is I'm going to be building my Secret Santa group build model that I got over the winter break there. And also we're having a post-apocalyptic group build. Now that group build is an open-ended group build. You can jump in whenever you want. It's not going to end. It's just to check out cool builds and stuff like that. It's on a group on the site itself, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. You'll have to be a member to join that, so hopefully we see a lot of people over there making some cool stuff. I think I might have a Meng pickup truck that I may make into like a zombie hunter or something like that. I got to see what I'm going to do. But before I even get to that, I got to work on this guy. So enough about that. Let's get over to the bench and I'll show you the kit that I got and we'll be working on. So this is the kit I'm going to be working on for my Secret Santa group build that was given to me by Manuel over the Christmas break. And it was fun because everybody swapped gifts and we're just waiting for people to really kick in on the builds after the holidays are done. So this is the 1/650 scale Klingon Bird of Prey. This is the original kit. Now, the kit today that's out is the same exact kit as this, except it's got the landing gear and the metal legs and stuff like that. But they reclassified it as a 1/350 scale, which is quite confusing to me how you can make a 650 scale into a 350 scale. You figure there would be a difference in size. But I was talking to Jason Marshall, and from what I understand, that the ship in the movies always looked a different size, so they just repopped it at a 1/350 scale. So we really don't know what scale this Bird of Prey is, if it's going from a 650 to a 350. But either way, we're going to build this kit and make it something special because it was a Christmas gift. So this is the whole kit laid out. You have the hull of the ship, weapon systems, the baffles. It comes with 2. This set you can do it, I think, in either flight mode or attack mode. You got your wings, a couple clear parts. There is a lot of flash on this kit that we're going to have to clean up. And what we're going to try to do is I'm going to try to find some brass that is the same diameter as the weapon systems and take those out and get those lit up. And I was looking at a lot of pictures of the studio scale model. A lot of people just paint this a pale green and they're done with it. But if you look at the studio scale models, there are a lot of different colors on here. So we're going to try to match that as best we can and make this a pretty build since it was a Christmas gift. We'll get this done and hopefully not too quickly, but because you know me, I don't build that quick, but hopefully quick enough, and then we'll make a nice base for it and put it on display. So that's this kit, and keep an eye out for this build coming up. So that's it for this video. This is going to be our first build. I know I said I was going to get to Superboy, but this is a Christmas present. I want to get that done. Plus Superboy, I got to redo the base, and he'll be probably the next build after this guy. And don't forget, this week we're going to start back up with Mark Dunmore's build of Rey Ayanami. We're going to finish that guy off, and we're going to get back to some videos from Jason Marshall too. So we'll be building the content back up and up for the channel. So guys, thank you very much again for all the support. I really appreciate it. You made a bad situation that much better. So that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to do a little work on this guy, maybe get another video up today. But I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification icon. And please come over to SciFiAntasy.com and join the community. It's getting bigger and bigger every day. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you all soon. Take care and bye-bye.